Alright, so here's me trying to start my moped, and it just will not turn over.